Alright guys, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use the text to column feature in Excel. Trust me, this tool is essential for separating your text data into multiple columns. So it happens sometimes where you get your data from your data source, and then you have all, just like we have it on the screen right now, you have all data you want to use. You have apple 10, banana 20, cherry 15, dates 5, elderberry 12. You're supposed to actually be in separate columns like this, right? But we have them from data's original source provided into a singular column. So you need to work with this data. So how do you easily separate it into different columns? Don't tell me that you want to start saying you copy 10, you copy it out, you cut it out, then paste it here, then go back to copy banana and all of that. I'm not sure you want to go through that route. Let's assume that we have about 500 rows and 500 columns in this context. So how do you go about it? You really do not want to go through the stress of having to copy and paste one after the other. So there's a way to go about it in Excel, and that's what we're going to be talking about today, right now. So the first thing you need to do is to highlight this column. So having highlighted the column, you go under data, right? So and then click on text to columns. You can see it here. My cursor is right on it. Click on text to columns. So you ensure that the delimited button is clicked. So what it means is it's the button that allows you to describe the delimiter. The delimiter will describe the factor that actually separates each of these data. You can see that apple is separated from 10 with a comma, right? So if you click, you see what I'm talking about now. If you click on next, you will see the delimiters. Is it separated by a tab? Is it separated by a semicolon? Is it separated by a comma? Is it separated by a space? Or other that I want to specify? You can see that data is actually separated by commas, right? So you just want to ensure that only comma is clicked. And you see that once you've done that, let's unclick comma. You see that the data are actually still they are still placed together. But the moment you click on comma, it has done the great job for you. It has splitted this data into several columns, right? As you can see, scroll down to see what it looks like.
Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.